friends, welcome to the weekly Roundup. There are 5 updates this week. Number 1, the US Federal Reserve Committee raised the key federal funds rate by 25 basis points to be in the range of 4.75 to 5% from the earlier 4.5 to 4.75 range. The Federal Reserve maintains that the US banking system is sound and resilient. Recent developments are likely to result in tighter credit conditions for households and businesses and to weigh on economic activity, including hiring and inflation. The extent of this effect is uncertain. The committee remains highly attentive to inflation risks. Moving on, the failure of SVB, or the Silicon Valley Bank in the US, has caused ripples in the European banking system as well. One of the world's largest wealth managers and top Swiss bank, Credit Suisse, which has been bogged down by losses, scandals, and management changes over the last several years, saw its share price plunging last week, yet again with depositors and clients pulling out money, and after having seen steady decline in share price over the last 1 year of more than 70%. Overnight, Swiss authorities put in place a bailout package with the announcement of UBS taking over Credit Suisse. To prevent any negative effects on the broader financial system resulting from the takeover of the crisis-hit Credit Suisse by UBS, the Swiss National Bank has agreed to provide UBS with $108 billion in loans as liquidity assistance under the agreement. Furthermore, Swiss authorities have also agreed to absorb some of the losses that UBS will have to bear as part of the deal. As part of the takeover deal, the Swiss regulator FIN in May, or FINMA, said that the Credit Suisse additional Tier 1 bonds worth about $17 billion will be written off as part of the takeover deal by UBS. The move has angered bondholders as their investments have been reduced to zero, whereas shareholders are scheduled to get payouts as part of the takeover deal. In the commodity space, gold has risen around 10% since early March, when SVB, or Silicon Valley Bank, was hit by a bank run. Gold's all-time high was around $2,075, which was in August 2020, and presently gold is trading at around $1,940 per ounce as of March 20th. In the domestic markets, after seeing the turmoil in global markets, there were reports that the Indian Finance Ministry has asked banks to submit data about their HTM, or held-to-maturity portfolios, and mark-to-market losses in trading books to identify any potential stress within the Indian banking system. With that note, we are signing off this week. All the very best. Speak to you all next week on Weekly Roundup. Bye-bye.